Crafted with luxurious fabrics and thoughtful details, it offers unmatched comfort and timeless beauty. Its sleek silhouette and refined textures make it a statement piece, perfect for unwinding after a long day or hosting memorable gatherings. Around the sofa, every element complements the light luxury aesthetic. A coffee table with clean lines and premium finishes serves as both functional and decorative, while side tables provide subtle sophistication. Together, these pieces harmonize to enhance your living space without overwhelming it. Every detail in your light luxury living room is designed to balance elegance and practicality, creating an atmosphere that's both inviting and refined. It's a place where you can relax, connect, and celebrate life's moments in style. Step into a living room that redefines modern luxury and transforms your everyday living.